We mentioned a verse in the Jumu'ah khutbah, and we'll return to that verse. That was from last night's recitation. ليس البر أن تولوا وجوهكم قبل المشرق والمغرب ولكن البر من آمن بالله والملائكة واليوم الآخر والملائكة والكتاب والنبيين وآتى المال على حبه ذوي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وابن السبيل والسائلين وفي الرقاب وقام الصلاة وآتى الزكاة والموفون بعهدهم إذا عاهدوا والصابرين في البأساء والضراء وحين البأس أولئك الذين صدقوا وأولئك هم المتقون. I'm tired. So we return to just ولكن البر من آمن بالله. The foundation of righteousness is faith. The Christians say deeds without faith without deeds is fruitless. Faith without deeds is fruitless, and deeds without faith are rootless. So our faith gives birth to what comes after it. ولكن البر وآتى المال على حبه وأقام الصلاة وآتى الزكاة is rooted in faith. So our faith has to be the foundation of righteous deeds. إلا إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات. Verily those who believe and do righteous deeds. ولكن البر من آمن بالله. Faith is not one thing. So the verse starts reminding us faith is not one thing. ليس البر أن تولوا وجوهكم قبل المشرق والمغرب. So faith, righteousness rather, isn't turning your face to the east or west in prayer. So some people, they think if they get one thing right, they've got Islam right. So you get the beard right, you get a handful. I'm still working on it. Almost 70 years, I still can't get a handful. But you get a handful, you got the beard, you got the pants length right, you're good. You have this right or that right. The Qibla, no, it's not the northeast, it's the southeast. It's not the southeast, it's the northeast. ليس برا تولوا وجوهكم قبل المشرق والمغرب ولكن البر من آمن بالله. But righteousness is rooted in faith. So our faith has to be rich, and it has to be deep, and it has to be strong, and it has to give fruit. ليس الدين بالتمني ولكن ما وقر في القلب وصدقه العمل. Like deen here meaning faith. If some version of the hadith, ليس الإيمان بالتمني. Faith isn't a wish and something you dream about and something you imagine. ولكن ما وقر في القلب وصدقه العمل. It's what takes root in the heart and then is testified to by the action. The action are testimony to the faith. A person give a lecture about how Islam liberates the woman and go home and torments his wife and daughters. A person give a lecture about this, that, or the other. It's not words. It's not empty words. It's righteous deeds rooted in faith. That's what changed the world. That's what inspired Muslims to become a factor. Our community, generally speaking, to a certain extent, we're like the Democratic Party. We talk a lot, but we have no relevance in the ordinary, day-to-day lives of ordinary people. That's opened the door for Trump. We are a force that changed history. We're a force that changed the world. And that force was rooted in the faith of the believers. And that faith gave birth to righteous deeds. And those righteous deeds changed the shape of history. And that's how we have to see ourselves. That's what this is all about. What's Ramadan? يا أيها الذين آمنوا كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. So the fasting then order that you will have righteous deeds. Taqwa. امتثال الأوامر واجتناب النواهي. May Allah bless everybody. He said 3 to 5 minutes. I'm already in the 8 to 10 range. Barakallahu feekum. May Allah accept your prayer, accept your sacrifice. Ramadan is 2 hadith, 1 difference in the wording. من صام رمضان إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه. One who fasts Ramadan with sincere faith, anticipating a reward, their prior sins will be forgiven. ومن قام رمضان إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه وما تأخر. And ما تقدم من ذنبه. Some other hadiths talk about وما تأخر. Whoever stands for worship during the nights of Ramadan. So Ramadan is Siyam and Qiyam. In the summer month, the Siyam is more challenging. The days are long and hot. And it's challenging to fast. In the winter, the Qiyam is the challenge. Because the nights are long. So there's a lot of time for Qiyam. So it shouldn't be just Taraweeh. Go home, read some Quran. And you still have a lot of time to sleep. And right in the middle of Ramadan, what happens? The time changes. So you could do your suhoor at 5:45 in the morning when the time changes. So there's a lot of time for Qiyam. So stay the whole 20 rakats. Stay until the Imam leaves. He does 36. He still does 20 because 4 done between each set. So in Jama'ah you still do 20. But whatever the Imam does, if he decides to read 3 or 4 ajza, stay. It'll be midnight when you leave. And you still have time for 4 good solid hours of sleep. So, Qiyam, man qama Ramadan, imanan wa ihtisaban, ghufira lahu ma taqaddama min dhanbih. May Allah bless you. I'm in the 12 to 15 minute range. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.